Hello everyone, I am Navneet Rathod representing TrueView, the brand of Warner's Electronics India Private Limited. Today I am just going to show you that what is Smart Interactive Touch Panel, how it is being used and where it is useful. Now as you all are familiar that projector technology is getting decayed, as there are limitations of projector being used in the environment of conferencing, schools, colleges and coaching classes. Today I am just going to show you that how smart interactive touch panel are better and how it is useful. So as you can see, here we have a 75-inch smart interactive touch panel. This is toughened glass and anti-glare with an angle of 178, where the students or the people sitting the extreme right and left will be easily able to view what is there on the screen. We have given two speakers here for better writing. As you can see, there are a lot of gestures which we can use to go into the Android and can use it easily. Now we have here file manager, where you can save your local files or files with your pen drives and other devices, and you can sort them in the form of document, videos, music, APKs, and you can easily view. The resolution of this is 4K. So 4K resolution we have. The good thing about TrueView is that we have equipped the panel board with Android 9, latest in the Indian market. The main advantage of Android 9 is that it comes with an active Play Store. As you can see that there are many apps which we have downloaded. There is no limitations. The aspirant ratio, if it is matching, then it will be getting downloaded to your panel. Then we have given one whiteboard for your writing purposes, where you can easily write. Here is a pencil, you can choose the color which you want and you can start writing on here. So the main thing is that with this small piece of paper also I can write, as it has 1 mm touch sense. You can use multiple pages for writing. For erasing, you can just use your palm and you can erase. If you want to erase it completely, you can erase the entire page easily. Here you can make your new file, open the file, open the file whichever you want to open. Now here you can see that I have just used the tools which are here and I have drawn the diagram which I need. Now on page 2 I have used circle to draw a set A and B, and I have shown the intersection of that. In page 3 I have drawn one bar diagram. So here you can start directly writing. Here you can start writing and explaining the diagram which you have drawn. If you have less space, you can just move this with an ease and you can again start your writing. So no need of using the duster and making the same space bigger. We have ample of space for writing. You can also insert the image if you want. I have just inserted one image. You can transform the image to one of the corner and you can start explaining. With an ease. It comes with a 20 touch, so it gives you a flexibility where number of students can come together and can start writing simultaneously. While if you are explaining and you want that a menu should be on your side, just click on the bar here and you will get the menu here. So it gives you a flexibility, like see the student, the diagram which is there, it is giving you the sides and you can make your explanation along with the images which are there. Now the good thing about this is that you can also save it. You can save as, you can put the file as a PDF or PIX. You can insert your other files from your local disk. Then you can scan it and you can put it into the other device. The barcode will generate and you can just scan the barcode on your mobile phones and the same file will be capturing on your mobile phones. Can be easily downloaded. Now here we have a TransScreen app need to be downloaded, so you can just scan this QR code and you can ask the other device to get connected to this in a very easy manner. At a time 4 devices can be easily connected to this panel. You can connect a PC, a laptop. There is also an inbuilt PC available. The OPS option which is there, you can even start writing here also. The OPS format which is there, as you can see that I am just choosing the color and I am writing here. So we have an OPS where it's an inbuilt PC in the panel itself. You can cast your other devices easily in a pluggable mode. So the TrueView panels come with 3 years warranty. We also equip you with the Active Play Store WPS software for easy usage. It has 2 stands. One is this portable stand on which it is currently placed, and there is also a wall mount stand available. Along with that, you can also use your finger for touch screen, or you can go for a magnetic pen with it. So for any queries, please do mail us at TrueView. Thank you.